You also like the master bedroom? Yeah, she also like it.
Hi, I'm Edmund from Chapter 13.
And I'm Amos, and this is my wife Rachel, and we are the homeowners. The theme of our home is minimalistic. A lot of the inspiration and the design was actually done by Edmund, because we have to balance out between what you like and what is practical. So I got to know Edmund through Renopedia. He was the only ID who actually gave a lot of consideration into our budget. Most other IDs actually they will go way above your budget, but Edmund was the only one who delivered to us what we wanted, and he gave us even more than what we expected for the amount that we're going to pay. Personally, I really like the master bedroom. I think it's got a very cozy feel to it. When we turn on the lights or you turn on some of the lights, you can get like different moods in there. And like the master toilet is like really nice also. We're actually very happy with Edmund's design. Quality of work that was done was actually much better than I expected. It's like, when I see the 3D rendering, it really come to life. Honestly, we are very happy with the works. For sure, I would recommend Edmund and of course Chapter 13 to any of my friends out there who just BTO or just buy new house. So to all the homeowners out there, I will tell you, when you are renovating your house, find an ID that you can work with and plan your finances very carefully.
Personally, my advice to all homeowners are: number 1, be comfortable with your IDs that you choose. Number 2, and during the renovation, focus more on the solutions rather than the problems in order to have a better timeline to meet for your homeowners when doing handovers.
Thanks for building our house. I appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy working with you.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.